Hello students, welcome to Advocate Bapu Saheb Bonde High School, Lonavala. Standard 1, Subject English 2, Topic Composition. Representing teacher Ashwini Satpute. Children, we celebrate so many festivals in our country. In our last video, we studied about one of the most important festival of our country is Diwali. India is the country where we find unity in diversity. Means, in spite of having so many different cultures in our country, we all live together happily. We love our country and we are very proud of our country. My motherland is vast and beautiful. India is the 7th largest country in the world in terms of land area. The Indian mainland spreads from Kashmir to Tamil Nadu and Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. India spreads over 3 crore 28 lakhs 7,263 square kilometers. There are 29 states in India. India has a population of over 121 crore. India has 3 main seasons in a year with short spring and autumn seasons. The 3 seasons are winter, summer and rainy season. The diversities make Indian culture rich and unique. People of India speak different languages like Hindi, English, Punjabi, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, etc. People follow many religions like Hindu, Muslims, Sikhs, Christians, Buddhist, Jain, etc. Different dance forms, music, styles of painting and dresses are popular in different parts of India. So students, topic for today's composition is I am a proud Indian. Let's start. As we say that I am proud to be an Indian. So the first line of our composition is India is my country and I am a proud Indian. The great personalities like Mahatma Gandhi and Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was born in India. So children, next line of a composition is India has given birth to great heroes like Mahatma Gandhi and Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Great saints like Kabir and Tukaram were born here. So, the next line of a composition is great saints like Kabir and Tukaram were born here. Our brave soldiers guards our country from enemies. So, the next line of a composition is our brave soldiers guard our motherland from enemies. Being an Indian, we are very proud of our rich culture and heritage. We all love one another and respect and love each other's culture. We have the feeling of equality and brotherhood among us. We say in our pledge that all Indians are my brother and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich heritage. So, the next lines of a composition is: we Indians are proud of our rich culture and heritage. There is a feeling of equality and brotherhood among us. So, once again, I would like to say that I am very proud to be an Indian. So, the next line of a composition is: I would like to say again that I am a proud Indian. So, children, let us read the composition once again. Composition number 12. I am a proud Indian. India is my country and I am a proud Indian. India has given birth to great heroes like Mahatma Gandhi and Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Great saints like Kabir and Tukaram were born here. Our brave soldiers guards our motherland from enemies. We Indians are proud of rich culture and heritage. There is a feeling of equality and brotherhood among us. I would like to say again that I am a proud Indian. Children, we should love our country and we must be very proud of our country. And we should be proud to be an Indian. I hope you all understood the composition. Children, write this composition and learn. Thank you.